Oh my God. All right, so I just got here, Treasure Island Beach. It's not really packed. There's enough people to make it fun. I don't see anybody metal detecting, so we're going to work the water for a while and then come back after some of these people leave, probably 2 or 3, work around the dry sand. Today I'm using the Equinox 800. I'm going to be in Beach 2 setting. And hey, let's kick it off and let's go. So guys, here at the beach, I'm gonna hide a couple of these little treasure tokens. I'm not even gonna hide them. I'm just gonna drop them. They say COPTECH. I made them. It's nothing special, but I thought it'd be cool to leave these and see if anybody finds them. Let me show you what they look like. Yeah, a couple of these little lead and copper, strange looking things, but they got the name COPTECH. On one of them says YouTube right there. Let's see how long it takes for somebody to find these. I'm gonna start taking 3 or 4 of these to every beach that I go to. Target ID of 15. So scoop. Oh my God. Guy's got a ring. 15 minutes into it. Check it out. Oh my gosh. That is gold all day long, baby. Oh! Dropped my detector. That ran up as a 15. 15 on the beach in 15 minutes. I can't see. Oh, I do see something right there. 14K. I can see the mark. 14K, baby. Guys, 15 minutes on the beach and I got some gold. Gold on Treasure Island Beach. Look at that. Sweetness. In 15 minutes and it come up as a 15. You can't beat that. Let's keep trucking along here. Gosh. All right, guys, getting a 38. 38. That's pretty high. Let's see what we got here. Missed it. All right, guys, I think I got it. God dang, it's like 8 scoops. All right, it's out of the hole. Oh, let's see if it's sand. Oh, I can see something. What in the heck is that? I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's some type of a weird collar or part of a trap or what in the world. That certainly didn't go around somebody's neck. I don't know what it is. Unknown. Very cool though. Oh my God, it took forever to dig out. Mystery ring has been identified. This is a tensor ring. That's right, this thing is made of copper and you can use it to help heal your body. Put it around your leg, your hand, your finger. They come in different sizes, as you can see. Very popular and has a long history, folks. So this definitely is in the top list of strange items that I have found. Getting a couple of hits here. I'm going to use the pin pointer. Make it just a little bit easier. There we go. Got a quarter, guys. First quarter. Yeah. All right, let's see what else we got. Sounds like another one. Something right there. I think we're on a coin spill is what it is. Missed it. Oh, I can see one right there. Well, let's check this first. Oh yeah, I hear it. I hear it. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. A penny. A nickel. Gotta love it. Seashell. Dime. I knew I was hearing a bup, 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 bup. Coin spill. It's hard to get out. All right. Look at that. Nickel. Oh, it's fresh. Let's see if we got anything else there. All right. Oh, I do. I see one. I see a coin right there, guys. You see it? I think it is. Where'd it go? Oh yeah, right there. It's a quarter. So somebody was sitting here and this coin's dropped right out of their pocket. Let's go back. Now we want to double check. See if we got any other coins there. All right, nice slow. Yep. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom. Quarter. It's another quarter. Oh, there it is. Penny. Gang of 15. Probably another full tab. Heineken, who knows? You know, I haven't missed it 3 times in a row. I think it's something small. Another stinking fishing secret. Let's check. I think it fell out of the scoop. Oh, I didn't miss it. I think it fell out of the scoop. There it is right there. Ooh. Fishing sinker. I don't know what it is. Hang on. What is that? Oh, it's a heart, a fish, Christian symbol. Looks like it come off a necklace or a bracelet. Oh, look at there, 15, baby. Come up and see now. If I hadn't dug that, thinking it was another Heineken like I just found, I would have found it.
So sometimes when you find yourself missing the target, it could be it's falling through the holes in your scoop, and that was a case right here. Be patient and just keep trying.
Getting another coin, sounds like maybe a penny. Hear it. You can hear it jingling. Yep, we got us a penny. There we go. Ooh, God, it's been slowing out in the water. Found that ring, and then I found that gigantic copper ring of who knows what. Went up on the dry sand, found a coin spill. Now I'm back out here working the water and nothing. Not even a coin out here. That's nice and clear. I don't know what that is. Just scratches. Oh, look at there. Look at that. If I can get it out, we got a bracelet. Or an earring. I don't know, it's an earring. It's an earring. Yeah, I'll take it. And it looks like we got a little bling. I can see it from here, guys. A little bling. It's an old broken chain, what it is. looks gold, but I can't say if it's gold for sure. Somebody playing around with a brook. Yeah, a little blue flower looking thing. I'll take it, but I'd rather have some silver, some gold. Hey guys, it's been hard so far, man. I've only found that gold ring and brass gigantic thing and a few things, but it's been tough, man, the last couple hours. I'm going to fish up in the water and then work my way back. Should take about an hour in the dry sand. Here we go. Digging 25, guys. 18, 25. Come on. Shake that during out. Oh, still down there. It almost fell. I'm going to move a little bit to the side here. Man, these waves are getting bigger. That's not in the hole. There's some shellers. Oh! I think it's a diamond ring. Oh, crap. Look at that. Treasure Island, treat me to a treat. Golly. Although it's not black. It's a fresh drop. Something real small, maybe. I don't know. I can't see. Ooh, I'm gonna put this up. We'll look at it when we get back. Nice, guys. Look at there. Guys, look at that baby. Number two. Treasure Island. Yeah, sweet. This wind sure is picking up that little earring. Look at that. Let's see. Big quarter. Just got this on a 25. Bourbon Street. It's Bourbon Street, though. On Treasure Island. How crazy is that? Big dime. Big penny. Had a great signal. I've dug and dug and dug, and I just can't find it. I think I should stop.
Treasure Island Beach delivered, folks. There you go. A little gold, a little bling, and some change. Had a great time. Awesome day. And if you enjoyed this video right now, right there, hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a thing. Take the time to like and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on that next dig. You don't want to miss this segment, folks. I'm going to bring you stories from the COPTECH Vault. That's right. Stories covering my 32 years as a law enforcement officer. Stand by. It is so dangerous driving a police car and running a red light while responding to an emergency call. You could easily be T-boned or hit. There's just so much going on in that car. Listening to the radio, trying to navigate through traffic, trying to decide what street you're on and looking at the street signs. There's just a lot going on, folks, when you're going to an emergency call, just like this. All these videos are from my law enforcement career. In this case, we had a guy running with a gun, and we're trying to get up there to capture him. It may be like in this video, responding to assist another officer who's caught a suspect and he's fighting with him and trying to hold him down and restrain him. Yeah, I'll never forget this. We chased a guy and he ran through a fence in a stolen vehicle. Now we're in the middle of some cow pasture trying to get up to him, and he runs off and flies off into a phosphate pit. Well, those are full of alligators. So you've got to take him into custody. But look how dangerous this is. I mean, it's in the middle of the night. You can't see anything. You know, pursuits are just as dangerous. Look at this idiot here passing on a double yellow line, and he's about to hit this car head on. But you know what? They're armed robbery suspects. You can't let them go. This one here, I spin out when I hit this wet grass early in the morning, about to go through a fence. I'll tell you what, it's lucky I never got hurt. And all these car chases, this guy flies right through a stop sign. But you know what? I can't do that. I've got to use due caution, look both ways, and make sure nobody else is coming. I tell you what, you've got to learn how to drive in reverse. Look at this. I'm trying to get out of these guys' way. We're chasing a stolen vehicle. And backing up and driving fast, it's just one of the many things you've got to do as a cop. There's so many situations you'll get into where that's going to come into play. Here's another one. It's a stolen vehicle as well. We chased to a dead end, and I'm trying to get out of the way and get back into the chase. Folks, I hope you understand from a lifetime in law enforcement, we do this every single day. It's dangerous. And when you see an officer driving fast, going into an emergency call, please just take the time to slow down, pull off to the side if you can safely, because it's dangerous for him as well as for you. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this COPTECH video, and thanks for watching.